So guys, in this video, I'll be guiding you through the top best freelancing platform online right now. I'll be showing you how you can open an account with this platform and how you can literally start getting jobs online right now. Now, freelancing is where you work for international companies and brands from the comfort of your bedroom, right? Now, if you have any sort of skills like copywriting, graphic design, video editing, web design, translator, or any sort of skills, right? You can literally take these skills to this freelancing platform and you get hired by international brands and you get paid in dollars into your local bank account, right? Now, in this video, I'll literally be showing you top 5 best freelancing platform you can start making money right now. And you can literally start making at least $1,000 every single month with this very platform. If you are really dedicated with this platform, I'm about to share with you right now. I'll take you down to my screen, sharing all this information with you. Now, before we jump into that information right now, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and what I do in this platform is that I do research about the simplest way you can make money online, and I bring it right here in this very channel, sharing it with you, right? I also teach you how you can literally start a business online right now and other related tech videos. Now, if you are finding this helpful and valuable, I would love you to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this that will be coming your way very shortly, right? And also like this video is a way of encouraging me by bringing this information to you. Like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing video like this. Now, with this said and with this cleared, I'll take you down to my screen right now, sharing these 5 top best freelancing platform with you and how you can literally get started with it. So let's dive into it right now.
Guys, the first amazing platform we are having on our list right now is called Freelancer. Now, this platform is amazing and is beginner friendly, especially if you are starting out online. As you can see, hire the best freelancers for any job. All right, as you can see, world largest freelancing marketplace. Any jobs you can possibly think of, save up to 90% and pay only when you are certified. All right, you can come here as a buyer to hire freelancer, or you can come here to earn money. So we are here to do what? We are here to earn money as a freelancer. So if you come to this website, you're going to be clicking this place right now to get an account with them. As you can see, you can go here, post a project, or you can easily sign up an account with them. All right, this platform is amazing and you can make good money from it. As you can see, this platform is used by Amazon, Facebook, NASA, Tesla, Google. Now, this platform are used by the biggest platform on the internet. Google, Facebook, Amazon, these are the biggest platform on the internet. All right, this platform is an amazing platform and you can make a whole lot of money from this platform if you are serious with it. Okay, now as you can see, make it through with Freelancer. Now, these are jobs and these are packages on this very platform. This platform is amazing. They have over 1,800 different categories. Now, any skills you have, you can come here and offer it and you can make money from it. Now, if you have any skills at all, stop wasting time, come to this platform and start making money with that skills you have. Okay, if you have a good voice, you can come here and offer voiceover and you get paid for it. As you can see, Python, translation, even to translate language, guys. That means if you are good with French, German, you can come here and make money from it. Mobile apps, web design, WordPress, essay, ghostwriting, Photoshop, guys, blogging, internet marketing, accounting, banner design, Linux, HTML, graphic design. These are different categories you can make money from this platform. If you click on this very place, you are going to be seeing all of them. All right, you are going to be seeing all of them. So these are different methods you can use to make money from this platform. And you will not miss out when you are using this platform. And this is one of the best freelancing platform you can see. This platform is seen on CNN, Yahoo, Forbes, and many other biggest platform out there. All right, now this platform is amazing. You can come here and you can start making money from it. Now, if you come to this platform right now, you are going to be seeing it in the first link in the description. I'm going to be dropping dedicated videos on how you can make money from this very platform called Freelancing, how you can create an account, how you can optimize your seller account, how you can post your gig, and how you can rank your gig on the first page and receive orders every single day and make money from this platform. So stay subscribed on the channel and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop that video. So guys, let's move to the next platform. So guys, now the second platform on our list is called People Per Hours. Okay, as you can see right now, People Per Hour. All right, technology and programming, writing and translation, design, digital marketing, video and photo and image, business, marketing, branding and sales, social media. All right, now People Per Hour is a freelancing platform that allow you to hire workers and also offer your services and your skills, and you can make money from this very platform. Now People Per Hour is one of the best freelancing platform out there. You can make a lot of money from. Now if you're a freelancer, you can diversify and you can create an account with People Per Hour, and you can make a lot of money from this very place. All right, as you can see, make bright ideas happen. Access global talent on freelancing website trusted by over 1 million business worldwide. All right, now to sign up an account with People Per Hour is very simple. You come over to this sign up button right here, you click on sign up, and you are going to sign up an account in a very easy step. All right, I'm going to be dropping dedicated videos on these freelancing platforms on how you can register an account with them, how you can rank your gig, and how you can post your gig here and make money from it. Okay, so that's the reason you have to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you be alerted anytime I drop that video. As you can see, most popular categories: content writing, okay, engage your community, boost your traffic, SEO, website design, logo design, voiceover, get matched with expert freelancers in minutes, dedicated 24/7 support system, and money back guarantee and anti-fraud protection. All right, People Per Hour is a great platform you can make money from. Just go right now and start making money for yourself. Okay, as you can see, we have built a network of trusted freelancers we can depend on. We need something done. All right, they have over 3 million rated freelancers and over 150 million earned by freelancers, with top freelancers earning over $7,000 monthly. Okay, so guys, the next platform we have on our list is called Freelancer. Now Freelancer is an amazing platform you can also make money from. Be in the smartest startups. Okay, now if you come to this place, you can post a project, you can go to contests, you can find jobs, you can find freelancers, and of course the first thing to do is to sign up an account. So you come to this place and you sign up a free account with them. All right, so if you come here right now, this is how the platform work. Okay, this is how the platform work. Freelancer, pay safe, dedicated support system, and 100% satisfaction. Now these are different categories of skills you can get from this platform. As you can see, skills developer, hire skill developer to start your next project and get your work done. Now graphic design, looking for a creative designer, Freelancer has thousands of creative designers available for you. Blog writers, mobile apps, sales and marketing, SEO expert, just name it guys, name it guys. This platform is amazing and you can start up with this platform, add this platform to your portfolio, and you can make good money from it. As you can see, they have over 1 million plus freelancers and they have completed over 5,000 plus, over 500,000 plus projects and service gig, and they have done over 25,000 plus service gig. Now if you are a freelancer, you should add this freelancing platform to your portfolio to boost your monthly earning revenue as a freelancer. So go ahead in the description and go and try this platform out. Okay, so let's move over to the next platform. And the next platform right now is a popular platform called Upwork. Now Upwork is one of the top rated freelancing platform right there. Now, Upwork is a very great platform to hire freelancers and to post your work. Now if you want to make money as a freelancer, if you want to make as high as $1,000 every single month and above, you can come to this platform and you can post your service and you can pitch your offer. Okay, once you come to this platform, the first thing to do is to sign up an account with them. If you don't have an account, you click on this sign up button. But if you already have an account, you click on login and you can just come here to search for talent, project, and jobs. Okay, it's very simple. If you want to search for jobs right now, maybe you want to apply to jobs posted by clients, you can come to these jobs and you can search for it. But if you want to hire professionals and agencies, you can come to this talent right now to do that. Now Upwork is a very great platform. You can just come here and sign up, no cost to join, post a job and hire top talent, work with the best without breaking the bank. All right, so come to Upwork right now. The link will be in the description. It's one of the best #1 freelancing platform out there, so go out there and check it out and open an account with them to make good money for yourself. And the last platform we have on our list is called Fiverr. Guys, Fiverr is the OG of all. All right, Fiverr is the OG of all. If you have not created an account with Fiverr and you are a freelancer, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Now go to Fiverr right now, click on the 5th link in the description to get an account with them. As you can see, find the right freelance service right away. All right, web design, WordPress, logo design. Now Fiverr is a very great place. I've made good money from this platform. That's the reason I'm telling you, it's one of the easiest freelancing platform you can make a lot of money from. Very easy to set up and very easy to get jobs. As you can see, you can become a seller and you can become You can become a seller or you can become a buyer. All right, and you can switch from a seller account to a buyer account in case you want to buy any services on this platform. As you can see, popular services: AI artists, logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, and all of that. He said the best part: stick with your budget, get quality job done quickly, pay when you are happy, and count on 24/7 support. Right, Fiverr is a very great platform to make good money from. They have skills from graphic design, digital marketing, video editing, music and audio, photography. Just name it, guys. Name it, guys. Fiverr is a great place to make a lot of money from. I've created some videos on this platform on how you can start up with Fiverr, how you can create an account, how you can rank your gig of Fiverr. Make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you can have access to that video. And guys, if you are getting value from this video, please do well to like this video right now, smash the like button right now, and also do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification so that you'll be reminded anytime I drop amazing content around how you can rank your gig of Fiverr and how you can make good money from this platform, because I'm going to be creating separate videos on how you can make money from each of these platforms.
Hey guys, thanks for watching to this very end. Now, each of these platforms will make you a lot of money online if you are really dedicated with it, right? Now, if you want me to create a dedicated videos on each of any of these platform I just mentioned in this very video, write me in the comment section and tell me which of this platform you want me to create a dedicated video on. If you are a beginner watching this video and you are starting out on your freelancing journey, right, I would love you to pick one of this platform and work with it, right? Don't just jump on all this platform, creating an account with them and start posting jobs here and there. What you have to do is that you pick a platform you love the most, understand the platform, learn more about the platform, learn the rules and regulation, learn how the platform works, and gather other information in the internet on YouTube about this very platform before you can start with this platform, right? And you starting out with this platform, you have to be dedicated with it, right? This is not a get quick rich scheme. Don't expect money to just come overnight. You have to be dedicated and you have to be consistent with this very platform, right? Learn more about this platform. Trust me, within 3 to 6 months, you will start making consistent money from this very platform, right? And also, as I said earlier, if you want me to create a dedicated videos on any of these very platform I mentioned, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not liked this video and subscribe, this is the right time to do that right now. Please like this video, subscribe for more amazing videos, and if you find value, let me know in the comment section by commenting. And if you have any issues at all, let me know in the comment section by commenting. I will be there to reply to you. Now, if you want to start out with Fiverr right now and you want to start making money on Fiverr, I created a well edited video right here showing you how you can literally get started on Fiverr and how you can start making money from this very platform, how you can create an account with them, how you can post your first gig, and how you can start getting clients right now. And if you want to make more money on the internet, I share some website that can make you a lot of money on the internet by doing simple tasks. These are websites I've been using to make some good money from the internet. You will love them. Click here to access that video and also click here to access how you can get started on Fiverr. So with that said, I'll see you right here in these two videos. Bye for now.